and today we're gonna play obby but you're a bird. And you guys might be wondering why am I at checkpoint 6. It's because I played this game before I even started recording. So this game is basically just a obby, but you're a bird, little bird. But you have slow falling, so it's kind of easier. So my goal is to get to checkpoint 30, I guess. Wait, no. I went back. Wait, where do we go? Here. Okay. Ooh, no, please. Let's go. This Mario tube. Because of the torch. Yo, can I make that? No, I can't. Wait, a second try. Yo, go, no. Oh no. Okay. I need to figure out a plan. How we get there? Do we just need to do the classic, the old-fashioned Neo jump? Boop, boop. Where do we go now? There, I guess. I think it's there. But here kind of looks sus. Okay, I'll go here first. If it's not, I'll go up there. I don't think it's here then. Alright. I think it's there now. Ooh. Good platform over here. No. Yup. Bruh. Okay. We do the old-fashioned Neo jump again. Oh my god. I'm back here. Up to Mario tube, I guess. Again. Okay. Go here. Yup. Yup. Oh no. Dang it, I'm back here. Alright. Up the Mario tube once again. Put here. Bridge. Oh, go! Let's go! Okay. I think we just do... Wait, here are the birds. I think we just do... Shake make screen. I think that will help us. Give us an advantage, maybe. Okay, almost. That was almost. Wait a minute. Can we just go over here? No. Come on. Just please. Let me pass checkpoint 6. No. Bro. How do you pass this? We'll be here for a while. It continues over here. there's another bird. Maybe he will help me. Oh my god, bro. Yep. Oh, how did he make that? Okay. Nope, I didn't jump. Come on, let's go. Okay. Okay, finally. We passed that level. And another checkpoint. Hated bird bat. Okay, let's go on the bird bat. Let's see what this is gonna do to us. Yeah, sound effects. Cool. Okay. This section is really long. Good luck. Right. What the? Okay, over here. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Okay. There's a lot of spikes here. If you touch the spikes, you're dead. Long jump. We have to go all the way over here. God damn it. I hit here. Go up here. Let's follow the redbird's lead. Yeah. No, 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 no. Thank you. Thank you, ladder. Appreciate the ladder. Type W ladder in the comments. If anyone's really watching. I think Alistair will be watching, one of my greatest friends. One of my greatest supporters also. And okay. Oh. No, 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 please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, come on, come on. No, 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 no. But the ladder always comes in handy. Right here. Bro. I had it the first time. Alakazam. Just like that. Can we just jump on up here? Is that easy? Okay. We need to do a little bit of tree work. No, right here. Okay. Oh, it's dark. Can't see anything. Yo, let's go. Quack. That's not funny. It's not wonky. Come on, please. Thank you. Go. Okay. Up. Okay, that's cool. Come on, thank you for starting. No! I'm gonna go all the way back to Chicken 7. Really? This is good though, because I can hit that 100 points target. Yo, come here. Let's go. Let's go. Be careful. Yup. Okay, let's aim for that. Lucky 100. Come on. No! I hit 50. This is probably. Hop. And another jump. Another risky jump. No, 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 please. Okay, we got up. Alright. Please. Thank you. Right. Yep. This is the last part where before I died. How do I even do this? Just like, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. How do I hear clouds? Those sounds are actually clouds. If you don't know, haven't played this game. If you haven't played this game, come on. Yep. Okay, over here. Bridge, no. Because of the darkness. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, it's over there. Thanks for the tip. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, no. Oh my god. That was so close, bro. That was so close. Up. No. I'm taking so long on this. Come on. Come on, please. And then up. Please don't block me. Up. Come on, no, bro. I can't make that jump, bro. Actually, bro. No. Go. No. Dang it. Oh my god. I'm a purple bird now. Hey, I completely forgot that was there. Oh, I'm a duck now. Duck power. Quack. Quack. Okay. No. Good thing I could change my checkpoint. Hop. Oh. Boom. Stuck the landing. Let's go for the lucky 100. Go! I think I landed on 50. Come on, again. Not again. Not again. Come on, let's go. Okay, back to this part again. Duck power. Let's do this. Oh, god damn it. I forgot. I was there. Wait, can we just skip all the way to that target thing? Let's try. Hop. Okay, it's gonna take forever, and we can't. Jump down. Bro died. Come on. Nice, let's go. Lucky 100, please. Bro. I got 0 points. Oh, look. Can we skip over there? I don't think so. So high. Quack. 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 do that. Yeah, come on, let's go. Suck the landing. Yo guys, know that song. Put us in the comments. What the song was. Okay, there. Come on, please don't, no! I had it, but I just jumped. Okay, there. Here. Don't fall off. Okay, this part. No! No! Oh my god, bro. Let's take a break back. Yes. Boom. Cannon Bob! Hey, how about I just jump off the edge? Let's go. We're back at this part. I remember this part. Off camera, I literally just stood there. Because I didn't know what to do. I just stayed there for eternity just thinking. And I had an idea and I actually made it through. That's what I did off camera. And I'm not lying. Wait. Yup. Come on. Yup. Come on, let's go. Alright, 50 points. Cool. God damn it. Bro. Come on. Cool. Cool, yo. Right. Back here. Come on, be careful. I kept raging you. If you guys remember earlier. Let's go. Oh, finally. Finally we did it. Okay, go here. Okay. Yo. I now got disappearing blocks. Okay. Go. what the Sigma? Come on. Please on a checkpoint, thank you. Wait. Oh my god, bro! I'm back here. Great. Right. No! Bro! What the signal? There's a singular spike here. No one's coming here. Unless there's a secret around here. Nothing's going on back here, but why is there a spike? No. I'm confused. Brother. Cool. Let's go. Alright. Now. Now. Come on, let's go. Can we just skip here? Come on, please. Thank you. Okay. Here. Up there. Okay. Oh, there you go. Maybe over here, maybe? No. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Okay. Here. Bro. Looks like someone's friend. Looks like someone's friend joined. Cool. How did I do that last time? I can just do this. Can I just... Oh, that was easy. Not this again. At least I got a checkpoint. Let's go this way. Is this tower? Okay. I thought I was pointing to the tower. I have to make this jump! How did that get me? How did that get me? Bro, this is big. I'm a big right now. I wanna test. Can I just make this jump? I can just make that jump. Nothing to worry about. Okay. Where do I go? There? Maybe? No! No! Where is that tree? W tree. Come on. Let's go. Triple strike. spike jump. Go there. Go there. Neo jump. And then onto that cloud. Alrighty, where do we go? Here. Bro! Great! Oh, good. It was like 3 minutes since he joined, and you already gotta go now, bro. Your parents must be strict. Oh, alright, bye. These guys, if these two watch this video, I don't think they will. But if they do, though, shout out to them. So to make them, I'm Perry the platypus. Just look at me. I look like a platypus now. I don't know why, but I can't do the triple spike anymore. Whoa, build momentum. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna leave off in the 9th checkpoint. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to these two guys. Do you ever watch this video? I've been recording for like 27 minutes now, so gotta go bye. Have a nice day, everyone.